Hello students, welcome to Stars of Knowledge Randhar channel. Guys, you've been waiting for the 21st August 2021 IELTS exam prediction. So here we are with that video. On 21st August 2021, we have both academic and a general training exam. So let's start our prediction, and we're gonna start with the listening first. Well, in the listening module for part 1, there could be fill in the blanks, one word only, and part 1 could be easy. For part 2, there could be small multiple choice questions, and part 2 could be moderate. For part 3, there could be large multiple choice questions and some match the information, so matching to do. That will be easy to moderate. For the part 4 of listening, you will have fill in the blanks, but it will be easy. So your overall listening for the 21st August 2021 could be little moderate. Let's further move on to the reading module. Well, for the reading, let's talk about the academic reading first. Well, in passage 1, there could be fill in the blanks and few true false not given. It will be easy to moderate. For the passage 2 of academic reading, choose the correct option and list of headings and just 4 to 5 fill in the blanks. And passage 2 could be moderate. For the passage 3, multiple choice questions, true false not given, and a summary completion. Your passage 3 could be moderate. Your overall academic reading for the 21st August 2021 IELTS exam, IDP obviously, could be moderate. Let's further talk about the other reading. So this is a GT reading, journal training reading. Well, in the passage 1, there could be multiple choice questions, true false not given, and fill in the blanks. Your passage 1 could be easy. For the passage 2, there could be fill in the blanks and list of headings. Your passage 2 could be easy again. For the passage 3, there could be choose the correct options and also true false not given, which will be tricky and moderate for the passage 3. So your overall reading for the journal training exam on 21st August could be easy to moderate, but your passage 3 could be moderate, like a tricky one. So just be careful there. And lastly, we have writing module. Well, in task 1 of academic, line, bar, table or map. For the task 1 of journal training, informal letter. And for the task 2, topics could be employment, society, education, technology, internet, people and culture. It will be a both sides. You have to talk about the both views, like positive, negative, advantages, disadvantages, outweigh the negative points, outweigh the positive points. So something like that. Further, I would like to tell you that the writing task 2 predicted topics from June to September 2021, that video is already available on our channel. There are the task 2 topics. If you have prepared those topics, you already know the ideas, then it's completely fine. But just go through the list of those topics. If you think that there is any topic which you don't know or you don't have any idea about, then just go and have some ideas about it. So that video is already available on the channel. And also I'm getting these comments that is it only for the Indian students? No, it's not. Anyone, even you belong to Nepal, Bangladesh, anywhere, you can prepare these topics, you can go through these topics, because somewhere globally they are kind of same. There is just a little bit, there might be another topics there as well, but this is not just for the Indian students, it's for everyone. So you can just go through these topics, see if you know any ideas. If this kind of a topic comes in your exam, are you able to write something about it? If you are confident, it's fine. If you are not, then just have some ideas about it. That's the main motive of putting this kind of videos. So that's it guys for the 21st August 2021 IELTS exam prediction. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar. And yes, you are looking for August Q card prediction video. Yes, it will be available within next 3 to 4 days before your exam starts for the month of August. So stay tuned and thank you for watching this video. Best of luck for your examination, for your results. Take care students. Bye bye.